Hi HBNR family, so welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing double zippered cargo pocket. So just like and share this video to reach a larger audience. Let's make this video goes viral. So you are going to be learning the best and the easiest method of making this cargo pocket. So let's get started. So I've already cut the pocket pattern. So far it's a double zippered pocket. So this is the big one. The length of the big one is 7.5, while the width is 7 inches. While the smaller one the length of the smaller one is 6 inches and the width is 5.5 inches. So I've already cut the fabric for it, and if you notice very well, you will see that I leave seaming allowance around the pattern. I'm going to notch the center of the pattern. I'm going to do the same thing to the bigger one. This is the zip I'm using, and also this is the side patch. So I'm going to notch the center of the zip as well. I'm going to stitch it like this. This is the side patch. The side patch is 1.5 inches in height. So the side part will face down the zip like this, and I'm going to start the stitch. This is how it will look like. So this is the smaller pattern. I'm going to notch the center of it. I'm also going to do the same thing to the bigger one, but I'm going to start the stitching from the smaller pocket. So the next thing, I'm going to mark the seaming allowance here, and after that I'm going to place the center of the zip aligned with the center of the pocket. So I'm going to trace out the seaming allowance on the zip as well, and I'm going to flip it like this. So you don't need to rush yourself, you just need to pay attention and make your work looks perfect. So the center of the zip is aligned with the center I notch on the pocket. So once it's about to reach the starting point, I'm going to stop there and I'm going to cut the excess fabric of the side patch, and I'm going to place the zip and the side patch together so that I will know where to join it together. So after I'm done with the stitches, this is how it looks like. So this is for the smaller pocket, and I'm going to follow the same step for the bigger one. So I'm going to place the pattern of the smaller pockets on the bigger fabric like this, and I'm going to mark each angle like this. So after I'm done with the marking of each angle, I'm going to use ruler to connect the 4 angles together. So I will place it there again, and I'm going to mark the center of it. After marking the center, I'm going to place the zip center on it. So the center I notch on the zip, I'm going to place it on it like this, and I'm going to start my stitches. So I'll make sure that I'm following the line I wrote. So after I'm done with the stitching, this is how the smaller pocket looks. So I'm going to follow the same step for the bigger pocket. So I'm going to mark the allowance, and I'm going to place the zip on it like this, and I'm going to trace out the allowance on the zip, and I'm going to turn it over like this. Please, if you derive any value from this video, please kindly like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So this is how it's going to looks like. So the next thing is for me to attach it to the main fabric. So I'm going to place the bigger pocket pattern. I'm going to place it on the fabric like this, and I'm going to mark the 4 angle on it as I've done earlier on the smaller pocket. So I'm going to use ruler to connect it together. So I'm going to not mark the center of it. So the next thing is for me to sew the pocket on it, but I'll make sure that the center I notch on the zip is aligned with the center I marked here, so that it won't give me any problem. So I'm going to start my stitching by following the line I wrote. So I'm done with the stitching of the pocket to the main fabric. This is the same step you are going to take whenever you want to make this kind of pocket on your joggers pants or on your hoodie. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching. HBNR.